Welcome to your micro-personal emergency response system. Inside the box, you will find a cradle charger. Plug this into an electrical outlet, making sure that the outlet is not controlled by a light switch. Also inside the box is your micro. When you place the micro on the cradle charger, it will automatically turn on and begin charging. It will take about 30 to 60 seconds for the device to connect to the cellular network. When it does, it will announce,
"System ready."
To test the micro, remove it from the cradle and make sure that it is on. If your device is not on, you can turn it on manually by pressing and holding the power button on the side. Find the button on the opposite side of the power button marked with the letter T. Press and hold the T button for about 3 seconds until the micro says,
"User auto test. Please press your emergency button or pendant."
Now press and hold the round emergency button for 2 seconds until it lights up red. The micro should say,
"Test call sent to Emergency Response Center."
and then,
"Call connected. Please stand by for an operator."
and then,
"Thank you for testing your device. Your test is now complete. We're all set. Thank you and have a great day."
However, if the micro says,
"User auto test failed. Please contact customer support."
you will need to contact customer support to further troubleshoot the device. Your micro is now ready to use. Thanks for watching, and we wish you good health.